She's running. Everything's done right now. Went back with another 3/8" fuel line. Put electric fuel pump in there and the other in line. Pushing 8 psi on that. I'm going to replace that air breather so I don't burn my car up. The heater's working, the wipers are working, the lights are working, everything. Yep, the horns are working. It's all rewired. Alternators or generator's been rebuilt. It's awesome. Lots been done. Okay, here's all new exhaust. Everything is really secure. I love it. And got my old tips back on there. I love the way those look. But he did a really good job on securing this stuff up. I mean, it's solid. It doesn't move. And it's got these rubber mounts here and everything's just mounted so well. I love it.